Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Today I am coming with one more session. This session we are going to see the permissions, prohibitions and obligations. So what are these things? How do we ask permission and how do we give the permission? So how do we say this should not be done, this should not be done? So that kind of sentences we are going to see. So first let me take you into the world of permissions. So how do you ask for a permission? To ask permission, the first thing that we use can. Can will be a kind of informal way of asking permission. Can you give me a book? Can I use your car? Can you tell me the way to market? Can you give me this? Can you give me that? That's a kind of informal way of asking permissions. So for that your reply will be yes, you can. You can use my car, you can use my desk, you can use my computer, you can use. So that kind of a thing will be a very informal way of asking and giving the permissions. Okay. If you want to be a little more formal way of asking permissions, then you should use could. Could I say something? Or could you allow me to say something? Could I use your car? Could you give me some space so that I can do my work? So like that. So another way of asking permissions is a very usual permission. May I come in, madam? May I come in, sir? Something like that we ask? Yes. So that's another way of asking a formal permission. May I use your car? May I use your toilet? May I use your washroom? May I use your books? That is one way of giving the permissions, asking the permissions and giving the permissions. Yes, you may. So then how do you, हम लोग को कैसे मना करते हैं? You should not do this, don't do this. So for that we use, you can't use my car. You can't say like that. In the same way, you must not do like that. You should not do like that. You should not take my car. You should not spit in the public places. You should not wear such a nasty costume when you are going for a party. Wear something decent. You should not speak loud when people are praying outside. So you must not do that. That is the way we tell people, don't do this, don't do that, that kind of thing. So that is called a prohibition. You should not spit in public. So that is a prohibition. So now I am going to give you obligation. What is this obligation? Obligation means you should do this. If you do this, it is good for you. You should follow the traffic rules. You have to follow the traffic rules. You need to follow the traffic rules. So what did I say? You should follow the traffic rules. You must follow the traffic rules. You should follow the traffic rules. You have to follow the traffic rules. For all these things, these are obligations. That means we should do them. For that kind of sentences, we use this kind of must, have to, should, need to, and sometimes ought to. Ought to is people use very less, but the other things people use more. So we have seen permissions, prohibitions and obligations. Kindly practice this kind of sentences and subscribe to my channel Easy English with Inna, and stay home, stay safe. Bye.